Hi, hello dear friends. Welcome back once again to our channel, Vagai Academy of Mathematics, and this playlist is where you can find video lessons for CAT, MAT and other management exams. This session we have a nice problem from the concept of time and work. Let's get into the problem. Yes. A contractor assigned 50 men to finish a task in 60 days. So a contractor is going to assign 50 men initially and the scheduled number of days is 60 days. So within 60 days that task is to be completed. Okay, so we'll note down the data. So initially how many people he is assigning, he is hiring? So there are 50 people, 50 men he is going to hire, and the duration is going to be 60 days. So we'll note it. Duration is equal to 60 days. Fine, yeah, okay. And next is 50 men are assigned here, so that also we'll note it. So 50 men, and we'll continue. However, it is observed that only 50% of the task got over in the first 35 days. So that is first 35 days only 50%, or I can say half of the work is got over. Okay, so in the first how many days? I'm sorry, 35 days. Okay, first 35 days. So 50% of the work got over. So that means it is clearly visible here itself that this work will not be getting over as per the scheduled number of days. That is, see here it is obvious. First 35 days, these people are taking 50% of the work they are finishing. Okay, so they are taking this first 35 days itself to finish only the 50% of the work. So in that case, if the same trend is going to continue, definitely they will take another 35 days to finish the remaining part of the work. Is it or not? It is obvious, right? So that means first half it is 35 days. Again, if the trend is going to continue the same way, another half they will be taking another 35 more days. So in that case, the total work will take 70 days for them to complete. Is it or not? It's going to be obvious. By looking at itself we can tell that, but anyways we'll continue to see what is asked in the question. Then how many additional men the contractor should assign? So be clear with the word, how many additional men. Okay, so how many additional people the contractor should assign so as to finish the work as per the schedule. So as planned, as scheduled, the contractor should finish the work. So for which what he should do? He has no other go. In order to finish the work within the same 60 days, the contractor must assign some extra people, additional number of people. Okay, so that is what they are asking in the question. So additionally, how many people, more people needed in order to complete the work in the scheduled 60 days itself? This is going to be the question. So let's carefully analyze. As we told, we'll continue from there. So first 35 days these people are completing. How many people are there? 50 men are there. They are completing 50% of the work. So that means it is very clear that another 35 days they will take to finish the remaining part of the work. Okay, so let's now see the remaining part of the work. So the remaining work is going to be how much? It is going to be another 50% only, and they will be taking how much days? So we'll compare the men and days. All right, okay, so we are just worrying only about the remaining work hereafter. So how many people are there initially? 50 men. They will take how many days to complete the remaining part of the work? They will take 35 days. Is it or not? So they will take 35 days. But just carefully see, the duration is going to be 60 days only. So that means now how many more days are there? There is going to be remaining only 60 minus this 35. There are only 25 days more. So that means the same remaining part of the work, that is the same 50% which is pending, is to be completed in the next 25 days itself. This is going to be the calculation. Is it or not? So I think now the overview is very simple. 50 men can complete the remaining work in 35 days, but remaining there are only 25 days. So that means now we will calculate the number of men which is missing over here. We'll calculate this one first. Okay, how many men will be there? It is again very clear, right? So we can use our men days concept itself to solve the problem, or otherwise we can even solve this problem using ratios. Ratios is going to be a very easy method, very direct method, right? So we'll take the ratio here for the number of days here. So 35 is to 25. We can cancel with 5 tables, so that we'll get 7 is to 5. Okay, so the days are in the ratio 7 is to 5. That means men will be in the ratio 5 is to 7. So that means 5 parts is like 50. It's very obvious. One part will be 10. So 7 parts will be how much? 7 parts will be 70. So 70 is going to be the number of men which is required to complete the work in 25 days. Then only the work will complete in the scheduled number of days. Is the point clear? So in that case, now be very clear, be sharp here. See, already there are 50 people. Now the work needs 70 people overall to complete the work in order to finish it within that 25 days itself. Now there are already 50 people there. Now the 70 people stands for the overall population only. In that case, how many extra people needed, how many additional people needed, that's what is important. Okay, that's the reason I've just underlined it here. So there are additionally, how many people are there? Additionally, there are 20 people required. So additional men is going to be here. It is going to be this 70 minus this 50. So there are extra 20 people needed here, and that 20 is going to be the answer for this particular question. 20 is ready available at option D, and that is the answer for this particular question. Yes friends, you must have already seen this kind of questions. It's going to be a very popular question, right? These kind of questions, a contractor assigned these many, like that you will be having questions. And also you can see questions like a garrison is occupied by these many people and there is food for these many days. These kind of questions you must have definitely seen if you are preparing for this kind of exams. So all these questions, those kind of questions can be handled in the same approach. Just see what is available here and how much portion of the work got over, and just concentrate on what is the remaining work pending, and also see what is the remaining number of days. That also we have to see. Okay, fine. So this is the way we'll have to manage, we'll have to order, and then we'll have to work the problem. I hope it is clear to you, and even if you have any doubts also, you please just comment it in the comment box below. When I see those comments, I will see to rectify your doubts. Again, if you just have any good idea about this video, if you like this video, please give a like to this video, and please do share this video to your friends also who are preparing for any such exams. See you soon in the next video with another concept. Thank you so much.